Arrive in style with this Ram 2019 3500 Bighorn. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: bright white clear coat, dual rear wheels included, bright wheel skins, clearance lamps, tires, LT235/80R17 EBS WAS tire pressure monitoring, delete 17 inches steel spare wheel box and rear fender clearance lamps, wheels 17x6.0 steel chrome clad 6,000 pound front axle with hub extension, gross vehicle weight 14,000 lbs, rear wheelhouse liners, transmission 6-speed automatic Aisin AS69 RCHD included, 12.0 single rear wheel axle transmission, oil cooler, chrome accent shift knob, diesel gray black, premium cloth bucket seats included, bucket seats power adjust, 8-way driver seat, folding flat load floor storage, rear 60/40 folding seat, front seat back map pockets, power